Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the font size and style in your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So, the first thing that we need to do is to open the settings in our device. Wait a moment, I need to reset my settings. Here, settings, and now here we need to now scroll down to, scroll down, display here. If you have larger display you won't see that. Here tap font. Now here we can change the font size by using this slider, and FontWave over here. And actually that's it. We don't have much more options. Goodbye, have a nice day.